No pool until the vault and floor are stabilized.
We face the paintings before dustwork.
What's the measurement on this joint?
Holding at 3 millimeters.
All right, secure the divider strip then.
All right, powering up the uplight now. Check the spread. Beam spread looks good, grazing the bark perfectly, no glare.
Watch the spacing there, move it left. Okay, clear the drainage now. Test the irrigation zone.
This archstone stays original.
Hold it steady, 3 more millimeters to the left.
Hold level. Protect the threshold.
Stand by for activation sequence.
Circuit 42 engaged. Powering up grazers now.
Scan complete on Sector 4. All matting zones secured and tagged.
Scaffold team, start the lift sequence.
Negative air switched on.
Does this match the archival target?
It's close, maybe slightly warmer.
Mark that section on the map.
Fragment 4B, rack 7.
Copy that. Moving timber from zone 3.
Check stabilization on 12 alpha.
South nave readings?
Down 3 points to 35%, still high near the column base. Scaffold clear on bay 6.
Confirmed. Applying tissue now.
Ready for consolidation marker placed on bay 5.
Are the conduit sleeves secured in Sector 4 yet?
Almost. Just finishing the brackets now.
Humidity levels locked in.
Wall washers testing clear on this section.
All right, team, punch list signed off.
Clear bay.
Lux readings are stabilizing at 50K here. We're showing green on the humidity sensors by the rose window. All right, sign off on bay 4. It looks perfect.
The art is finished. Now we build the pool without touching the basilica.
All right, the suction pads are engaged. Lifting now.
West side stabilization is green. How's the depth on 5?
Hitting target depth now. Starting final vacuum pass.
Hold position, lower 3 millimeters. Locked in, ready for the clamps.
Pressure test steady at 50 psi. Holding strong.
We have flow in the circulation loop. System check complete.
Check the laser reading on that section again.
Confirmed. Micromillimeters within tolerance.
All right, let's initiate the bead test.
Does this center line match the grid reference?
It's off by a few millimeters here.
We need to adjust the pale gold pieces to catch the light from the rose window.
Okay, lower it gently. Hold it there. Vein looks good. Tap it in on the left side. Lower it slowly now. Okay, check the laser line on your side. Needs a mallet tap right here.
How does the bronze look from your angle?
Looks good. Keep it aligned with the drain line.
We need more ambient light over here.
Water flow initiated. Keep an eye on the diffuser pressure. Flow rate looks good. Pausing for inspection now.
Adjusting flow now.
It's stabilizing. Look at that reflection. Got the salvage from cell 4. Bring it to the crates.
Check the manifold pressure on 7 and 8. Reading steady, moving to suite 9 now.
All right, room 3 bags are clear. 4, 5.
How many boxes left for this section? Just 2. Send the rest to room 7.
Okay, shim that corner and fix the bracket.
Power's live, reading lights check good.
Careful, coming through with the desk now.
Is the pressure holding steady?
Looks good, no leaks around the fittings.
Temperature stable on the panel?
Hold the tension right there. Is the vine centered?
Yes, looks perfect against the niche. I'm starting to fix the trim.
All right, team, keep the pace up. We need these side tables placed now.
Technicians, confirm AC set points in Suite 3.
Punch list complete. We are guest ready.
The suites are ready, but the real work starts now.
We need those cones around the fountain before the crew arrives.
Clear that section by the fountain next.
All right, moving the saw.
Check the slope on sector 3. Reading at 2%, clear the drain.
Initiating the flow test now.
We have an even sheet, shutting it down.
Check the southeast connection for leaks.
Check the reflection on the path. Is it too bright?
No, it's perfect. Warm and soft.
Careful on these steps, they're slick. I'm putting the tape up now. Look at the extent of the salt blooms on this niche.
It's worse than the initial report suggested. We'll need extended drying time.
Sector Gamma clear for dry brushing.
Copy that. Moving in with the vac.
Water levels stabilizing in the sump. We need clearance for the low-heat LEDs here.
Hold on, we're still sealing the vapor barrier on this bay.
Make sure the rack anchors don't hit that drain line.
How are we doing on the covers up front? 2 more to fit, then we can start sealing. Bay 3 is locked in. H, ready for your sign-off.
Looks good. Let's get the leveling laser set for the next row.
Hold it steady there. Lowering slowly, watch the corner. Shim on the left side, tap it in. Chianti Classico 2018.
Confirmed. Adding 3 units of Brunello 2016.
We need more tension on this side.
Okay, pulling it tight now.
Hoist clear to the bell frame.
Roger.
Starting laser scan on sector 4.
Is it level yet?
Hold on, the laser's drifting. A little more to the left.
Okay, lower the glass gently. Powering up the azimuth drive.
Get those tiles stacked by the entrance.
Hold that brake steady.
Watch the dust. Keep the fans running.
Check the measurement on this side.
6 meters exactly.
All right, energize circuit 4. Align that table axis precisely.
Okay, the pendants are in position. Commissioning the lighting now.
Stand by for the relay click.
service, please.
Okay, mark this corner here. Got it. I'll secure the netting on this side.
Drainage test successful. Closing the covers now.
Helipad secure. All right, marking systems operational on the tablet.